Hello, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I chose the wrong time to film this video. I have lots of nosy neighbors looking at me right now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this video for our natural hair hacks. So hack number one is just very simple. You know, we always need hair bands or hair ties, especially if you're at work and maybe you don't want your hair being in the way. It's always handy to like have a hair tie to like put your hair away while you're walking, or maybe something else. It's just always good to have an extra hair tie with you. So a smart idea is to have it on your key. You know, you must have your key when you're out of your house, right? So it means if you have your key, you have an extra band with you all the time. So yep. Okay, for hack number two is deep conditioning. It's very easy to deep condition at night. So what you do, you know, we are always lazy to deep condition, right? But this is a very easy way. Wash your hair as you would normally do your twist as you would normally do, but when you've done your twist, now you put on the plastic bag or a certain hair scarf, and then another beanie cap, something warm on top of it, and you go to bed. So the whole night you'll be asleep and your hair will be deep conditioning while you're dreaming sweet dreams. And then when you get up in the morning, of course the hair will be damp still, but that's when you can then take it off and allow it to dry off, or you get into the dryer, or you let the air dry however you want it. And then when you take out those twists, you have a deep conditioned, fresh looking hair. You know, sometimes when we go into the bathroom and wash our hair and it come out, oops, you might realize there is some white patches on your scalp, or you missed a spot on your hair and there's deep condition and there is a shampoo or conditioner, whatever. Any white patch you have on your scalp, just take some baby wipes and you wipe that area, and you'll be good to go. Or if you just have dirty hair and you did a hairstyle that expose one part of your scalp, just use baby wipe to like clean up and you go. It's a very big deal. Natural hair deep conditioning. A very easy way to deep condition is to have a plastic bag around your hair. No, tie a plastic bag on your hair and then put on like 2 or 3 let me not exaggerate, 2 beanie caps to really generate heat in your head, and then the deep conditioning process will be easier, faster. And the fifth hack, you know, when we wash our hair, there's always lots of shedded hair on the sink wherever we are, or on the floor, and you have a whole job to like clean it up after you. So what we do is just put this plastic, how do they even call it, this transparent wraps for salad or whatever. I have a clip on it so you see what I'm talking about. Just put it all over your sink, and on the floor you can just put some newspapers and you stand on top, and then when you're done, all you do is take off those wraps and the newspaper and throw in the trash can, and everywhere will be neat and you're good to go. That saves you so much time. Use castor oil as your gel, like to lay your edges. Most of the time that's what I use. It's both beneficial to your edges, it will make them grow, it's healthier, it does the job, like it does lay your edges. Like if you're not going for an occasion or a party or something, I don't see why your edges should be like bone flat down. Like you can use castor oil and it just give you a nice smooth hole, like not extra hole, but it will do a nice job for normal daily basis. What can I say, it will do a good job if you're just going about a normal daily activity, something like that. Or when you know how we have our pins all over the place, or me, I have my hair pins all over the place, hair ties. Sometimes I'm looking in my handbags, I'm looking everywhere in my bathroom. So it's just easy to like take any empty spices container and you use it to like put the ties around it and then the pins inside. So when you're looking for it, you just go and grab one container and you have everything you need right there. You don't need to be scattering places all over the place. So I think it's very easy and accessible, like just to be organized. You know, sometimes when you have your hair looking on fleek and you want to put on your clothes, let me say with something that has tight neck like this t-shirt, it like makes frizz on your head. So what you do is like you put a satin or a satin cap or something slippery that will come all the way here, and then your tight dress will just slide right on and your hair will still be looking nice and good. Use t-shirts instead of towels after washing your hair. Towels will cause more frizz on your hair, and when you do your twist out, it will not really come out right. Oh my god, another nosy neighbor. Well, who cares? Anyway, so use a t-shirt instead of a towel to avoid frizz. So all you do is when you're done taking washing your hair, you just wrap the t-shirt all around and pat with your hands, and that's it. This is just a little extra tip. You know, when you have your deep conditioner, the ready-made, the one you bought from the shop, or let me just say any cheap deep conditioner you have, just to make it like boost it up, you can add egg yolk and honey into that deep conditioner and you apply. It just makes it like more rich, something like that. Or you just do your homemade deep conditioner by yourself, which is the egg, the banana, the avocado. There's so many things you can add. There's so many of those videos. I even have one. I made one. I can put the link in the description box below if you want to watch it. Anyway, I've rambled enough. That's useful, and I hope it helps some. I hope you pick one, even just one thing from all these 10 hacks I did. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and just leave any comments down below on anything you doubt or you like me to, or any video ideas you want me to do for you, and I will do it. And then see you in my next video. Bye.